Solving for the square root of 458. If I'm going to the hundredths place, that's 2 decimal points. So I'm going to multiply that by 2 and add 2 because I need 2 more than twice. So that's 6 zeros that I'm adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to pair them up starting at the right side. So 2, 2, 2, 2. That leaves 4 by its lonesome, so I'm going to add a 0 to the 4. So 0, 4 is my first pair. I'm going to look at the right side over here and see what number is closest to that doesn't go over. And I see that 4 itself is a square. So the square root of 4 is 2. That's going to be my first number. Okay? So for the left side, when I'm looking at like my magic digits, which are really just like helping me solve this problem, I'm first or always really going to double that number. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 squared is what's going under here. So think of this like long division. 2 squared is 4. Subtract like long division, and I get 0. And then I'm going to start this whole process over again. You're going to bring down the 58. So now I'm taking my 4, and I'm going to think of my next digit for my magic number. So 40 something times that same something is going to be less than or equal to the number that you just got there. So 058. Okay, let's see, 42 would be too many, so it's got to be 41 because 41 times 1 is just 41. Okay, so that is my new digit. I'm also going to put that above my pairs because that's what helps me find that digit. And then I'm going to subtract and keep going just like normal. Okay, so 58 minus 41 is 17. And I'm going to start again. I'm going to bring down my next set of zeros. I'm going to take my magic number and double it to get 42. And I'm going to find my next digit. This time I have 420 something times that same something is less than or equal to, this time I have 1700. Okay, in my brain I'm going to do some math here to make a good guess. 2 is 2 less, 3 might be it, 4, I'm going to try 4. And I would use a calculator for this part. 16, 9, 16, oh, that's super close, so it's definitely 4. 4 is my magic number. It's going above my pair that I just used to get that. So 424 times 4 was 1,696, and I'm going to start the whole process over again. I'm subtracting there, and I get 4. I'm bringing down my next set of zeros, and I have to double the magic number I got. So 424 is going to become 428, and now I'm going to find my next magic number. So 428 blank times that same blank is less than or equal to, this time 400. Well, I already have the number 4,000, so there's no way I can be less than 400. So the only answer is got to be multiplying it by 0. If my number is 0, then I'm still just subtracting 0, and I have 400 again, except this time I have a whole other set of zeros to play with. Okay, my 0 doubled is still just 0, so 4280, and I got to get my next blank. I'm going to come over here, 4280 blank times that same blank is going to be less than or equal to whatever you got right there, which this time is 40,000. Let's see, if I have 42,000, that's already greater than 4,000. So again, the only number that could go there is 0. That's the only number that works. I'm going to put it in my magic digit over there, and I'm going to put it on top of the zeros that I just pulled down on the top. If I had 42,800 times 0, that would still be 0, and I would subtract, and if I needed to keep going, I could. That's where I can stop though. So my decimal point's going to go up because I'm rounding to the hundredths place. I'm going to look to the right. That 0 is going to make it stay the same. So 21.40 would be my square root.